All right, let's get started. The first step is to remove the grit from the clams. You'll need a mixing bowl. First, fill the mixing bowl with water and add the required amount of salt. Put the clams into soak to remove any grit. Drain the water off the clams, then wash them in fresh water by rubbing their shells together. The next step is to chop the ingredients. You'll need a cutting board and a kitchen knife. Peel the onion. Finely chop the peeled onion. Peel the garlic. Finely chop the peeled garlic. Remove the stems from the tomatoes and chop them into 1/2 inch pieces. That's it for preparations. Now it's time to sauté the ingredients. You'll need a frying pan with a lid. Heat the olive oil in the frying pan. Sauté the onion and the garlic over moderate heat until the onion is transparent. Add the tomatoes and sauté them until tender. Add the clams and give them a quick stir. Stir in the flour and continue to sauté. Add the white wine and mix all the ingredients together completely. Stir in the paprika and a pinch of salt. Place the lid on the frying pan. Cook until the shells open. Shake the pan as you cook to shift the shells around. Transfer to serving dishes and garnish with finely chopped Italian parsley. It's ready to eat. Well done!